Want to move your Outlook PST Calendar to Office 365 on Mac? Here's a simple way to get started. Why move PST Calendar data? Cloud access, employee offboarding, device replacement, centralized management, data retention. PST Calendar data: appointments, meetings, recurring events, reminders, attendees, locations. Before migration, verify the PST, check Microsoft 365 mailbox, select required data, back up the original PST. Manual migration can get difficult. Multiple PST files, large archives, multiple mailboxes, selective migration, duplicate data, complex folders. MacSonic Outlook PST Converter offers a guided way to manage PST migration.